This 2020 Tiffin Allegro Bus 45 OPP is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Tiffin is 45 feet 0 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a Posh Decor, Glazed Cherry Cabinetry interior, Sleeps 2, TV antenna, slideout, TV, air conditioning, awning, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, oven, skylight, water heater, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2020 Tiffin Allegro Bus 45 OPP is built on a Tiffin Powerglide chassis and is powered by a Cummins 605 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.